Every application that we do, whether that's data center storage, whether that's 911 backup systems, all of these are custom battery systems. And while we have designed the batteries that meet that requirement with no trouble at all, these energy storage systems are huge. And sometimes they're in the middle of nowhere, and we have to be able to adapt with that application. And so everything that Stryten does just has a design, rework, and keep improving our position. So we decided, it'd probably be a good idea if we built a couple of Jeep Gladiators. And inside these Jeeps will be battery packs and generators that are going to be unique and Stryten built. And so if we need to head down to Florida after a hurricane and power up something like a pharmacy or something, that won't be a problem with these Jeeps. So we put a deadline out there of May 12th and said we'll be in Moab with 3 custom Jeeps. A lot of metal in the bottom of my cup. So this is step 1, build the Jeep Gladiators. And Moab was picked because of the difficulty of varying terrain. More of just let's showcase our engineering talent, make sure that these things aren't going to have some mechanical failure. You can put another nut on the bottom of it, I guess, and hold it.
Well, we're going to figure out if we put these things together right and how capable they are, because there were only so many parts that we could order the way that we wanted. So then we had to start welding, fabricating, machining parts.
So we took 10 inches out of the bed, brought the rear bumper up 10 inches. Good enough, just don't haul anything with it. That'll serve perfectly for the power pack we want to put in there, plus some other equipment. I think we're down. So the whole idea is one Gladiator will have a 20 or 30 kW generator system that's driven off of the transfer case. The other Gladiator will have a battery pack that you can recharge one time a day for maybe 1 hour, charge that system up, and then it's ready for the next day for full use.
I do think our ride height is still low here.
What is this measurement?
It's all about taking that concept, that visualization of the end product, and moving to a more mass production idea.
Is it looking better? When we say it's done, it's good, then we hit the trails and see what actually happens out there. Something will happen.